When you are done with using the hydraulic bottle jack, the next logical thing to do is to lower it so that you will wrap up your session with the vehicle and go on with your busy, very interesting life. Unfortunately, if you are new to these jacks, especially if you have been using the standard scissor arrangements before now, this might prove to be a challenge. Fortunately, the hydraulic bottle jack is very easy to use and master. To release or lower a hydraulic bottle jack when the hydraulic jack is already supporting a vehicle, simply turn the release valve of the jack with either your hands or the serrated handle of the jack anti-clockwise. With the weight of the vehicle still on the jack, its hydraulic ram will be retracted into its filler plug and the jack will be ready to be removed from under the vehicle. This is an illustration of the process away from the weight of the vehicle. If you'd love to see more of my DIY themed videos, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and importantly, enable notifications so that you will be the first to know when another video shows up. As always, keep wrenching.